Hello, friends, and my dear students. How are you? Fine. Good. I am Anmol Rajput from class 9, and today I am giving the biography of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, the Indian hero. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose on 23 January 1897. Students, you understand this date Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose states. It is the burning of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, the great and the very good and the determined hero of the motherland, India country. So, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose is born in Cuttack, in Odisha. Cuttack is presented and it is located in the Odisha. The mothers of Subhash Chandra Bose is Prabhavati Bose, and the father's name of Subhash Chandra Bose was Janki Nath Bose. These are parents of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose is very educated and the mind is very intelligent and the body is fit like a wrestler and the body is very health care. So Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, when they are very small child in these times and the age of 14 or 15 years in these times, the Britishers doing the overhanding of our country, India country. In these times, the Britishers doing the rules of on our country, India country. But in these times, our pupils of the Indian pupils, they are doing the freedom struggle. In these times, he was also participating on the doing struggle from the Britishers, and they understand that I am killed the Britishers with our hand, and they have got angry with all the Britishers. In these times, they have Britishers is overhanding of our countries, and the pupils they killed of our pupils is very fastly and with very processes and by the knives, by the bullet. In these times, our country's pupils is very so sad. In these times, he said that students, all our countries, you give me blood and I give you freedom. They says that this is the slogan of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. So, by these slogans, Mahatma Gandhi said that Subhash Chandra Bose is not Bose. He was the hungry tiger. He also the and eat the countries, and it is the very bad for our countries, and the not is it good to live here. So these are the some problems of Mahatma Gandhi's, and Mahatma Gandhi says one day and once the Mahatma Gandhi's comes before and with the Subhash Chandra Bose and says that Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, you are understanding that you are like to and overhandings of the Britishers and to independence our country, but you are good, but I am not agreed with you, and your way is alag, and your way is different so me and my way is also different, so you are different ways. And Netaji Subhash Chandra was so sad and they had the heart problems because to speech of the Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose by the Mahatma Gandhi, and they are understanding that with our countries I am not free from the Britishers, so they get the freedoms in by the trains. But in these times of their country's problems, in these times all peoples is understand that. So in these times the Britishers army's chiefs, the Inspector Janranjan Rai, they says that, and the Britishers army is and the British government that announces that who is the catching the Subhash Chandra Bose alive, I am giving the very money and giving the awards. So the Inspector Janranjan Rai, they have overhanding and they follow the Subhash Chandra Bose, they never follow the Subhash Chandra Bose anyways. And in these times Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose is making the Maulvi and many type of facial changes by the Subhash Chandra Bose, but no one is catching them. And after the when they are going to the other countries, and in this time the inspector says that like the Subhash Chandra Bose, I am not sees any looks any type of people. He was very faster to changing the faces changes. So Subhash Chandra Bose, they have the format Indian Army, and in the Singapore in these times the Indian Army killed many Britishers with their handings and with the shootings. In these times Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose said, you give me blood and I give you freedom. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose was the great leader of our country. Thank you and have a nice day.